Hey guys, I'm Todd. Welcome to the channel. We're heading over to Walmart. I'm going to take the first look of a assembled Pit Boss Platinum Lockhart pellet grill. It's got cabinets up top. It's got some interesting features, and I'm just going to do a quick walk around, and I hope you enjoy. By Pit Boss Platinum, calling it Lockhart. First thing you're going to notice about this is these upper cabinets here. Looks pretty good. Looks like they got 4 racks here. They come out, except they fall out. It looks like you can probably get them out pretty far. They got 2 exhaust stacks. And looks like you can turn these to lower it or raise it. Pretty nice seal, kind of a rubber seal around the door. Magnetic latch. So it's got magnets right there for a latch. And then okay, this is at the auction yard Walmart. Door doesn't want to stay up. Not sure why. Could be the way they just put it together. As soon as I let go, it wants to drop. But looks pretty equivalent to my Traeger Little Tex as far as cooking area. It's got upper shelf.
Yes.
Got temperature gauge right there. It's got a pass through for the probes. And right over here, it's got the same little steering control. A little vent out back and up to the top. And over here controls the upper smoke cabinet, which of course is right there. So like if you had to get in the back, you could take that panel off. I'm not sure what's behind it. It's got the clean out right there. It's got decent sized casters. Looks like only the 2 of them caster. The others are fixed. It's got a nice shelf there at the bottom. Also, it's got this ash clean out here. Not sure how much ash you'd end up getting in there. Anyway, just slides in there. And of course, the business end. I'm going to take off the sticker here, but oh, so it's got a nice little digital controller. And there's the specs. This whole lid opens up here. Looks like you put the probes right there underneath here. It's got a nice big hopper. Also, it's got this nice little area here you can set things. But there's the pass-through for the probes. It's got to go through 2 separate grommets to get into the cook chamber. Alright. Let's look to see if there's one up in here. looks like this drip kind of comes out. And there's the, so this looks like a little grease pan. It goes down there. But I don't see a probe port for the upper cabinet unless that's it right there. Yeah, there it is right there. So put this tray back in. Alright. Also looks like it has a little light right here. A little LED light for the cabinet. And there's the probe port for the upper cabinet. So when this lid is closed, you'd have to come out right there and into there. And the back of it. That pretty decent cord. Yeah, this looks like it's got some clean outs. Not sure what that's for. And a nice little cooking guide. And it's got a window. Check your pellet. So anyway, overall, not a bad looking pellet grill. I'd say the main cooking chamber on the bottom is a little small. It's not very tall, but you can make up for that with this upper cabinet here. Although you'd have to take out a shelf or two to get that. But you could probably put 2 briskets in there, maybe 3. And you'd have to take out one of these shelves here. Maybe rotate them. Alright guys, so got kind of busy there in Walmart. They had some Blackstones, a lot of great pellet selection. You know, I got to hand it to Walmart. You know, they got a bad reputation, but the one by my house in Oxnard, they got some pretty good rigs, so I was real happy. So first thing I noticed was, you know, it is big, but the cook chamber is not very tall, but it's wide. So I'd say by volume it's about the same as my little Tex Traeger. The hopper looked huge. Looked like it have a lot of ports with rubber grommets for sensors, thermometers. And but when I opened up the lid, it wouldn't stay open. You know, I took a closer look after I stopped filming, and you know, I couldn't find a reason why it won't stay up. So I'm not sure if that's a flaw or if that's just the way the Walmart kids put it together. But I'd say thumbs up for 750 bucks. That's a lot of cooking. It's got a lot of neat features. You know, I know everybody's touting that Weber smoke fire, you know, for $1,000. You know, I don't know. I think that Pit Boss has them beat. So time will tell. We'll see you guys later.